The Grande House, with its sweeping 56-meter FODE, embodies architectural ingenuity while addressing the challenges of security, privacy, and urban constraints. Instead of relying on conventional barriers, the design employs a layered approach with perforated metal plates, sun-screen louvers, stone walls, and lush vegetation. These elements not only regulate sunlight and airflow but also establish a balance between openness and privacy. Horizontal design accents enhance its grandeur, while a dual fence strategy, a tall fence facing a slum and a layered fence along the roadside, ensures security without compromising aesthetics. Sustainability is at the heart of the Grande House. Innovative solutions combat harsh sunlight and optimize natural ventilation, leveraging adjustable louvers, greenery, and prevailing south winds. The design incorporates renewable energy, with features like a greywater reuse system, splash sprinkler irrigation, and a reflecting pool that cools the environment. Rainwater harvesting is facilitated by a gutterless roof, while locally sourced materials, such as wood and natural stone, root the house in its regional context. These elements work in harmony to reduce environmental impact while enhancing comfort. Security and safety are paramount, with a multi-layered entrance system, smart alarms, and fire prevention measures ensuring peace of mind. Each room provides quick outdoor access, offering swift evacuation routes. The floor plan emphasizes seamless indoor-outdoor transitions, promoting natural cross-ventilation and a relaxed living environment. Through thoughtful spatial planning and a deep connection to nature, the Grande House delivers an eco-friendly, chic lifestyle that blends modern luxury with environmental consciousness.